Introducing the latest form of technology, where users will be able to take control and monetize their mobile usage without the reliance of a centralized provider. Canada's only global decentralized wireless telecommunications network. 1/3 of the global population has been left without connectivity. The solution is here with Karrier One. Our first imprint starts with our beloved First Nations community in Canada, who have been left neglected in regards to their connectivity. Our team was able to successfully complete radio installation on the Six Nations Reserve, providing connectivity for the whole community. Our network will allow them to interact with their friends and family without difficulty, a basic human right that every person deserves to have. The future of telecom is here. Karrier One.